So if your LG washing machine is not doing the spin cycle properly and it free spins like this, then you definitely got a problem. It's stripped out and you're gonna have to change your agitator. I found this out the hard way. And here's the new one that I ordered. It was about 60 bucks on Amazon. I got lucky. And look how clean it is, but that part right here, that little silver piece, that's what's stripped out of the white plastic part. Supposed to be stuck inside of it like that, and as you can see, I'm going to take this cap off. You just need a screwdriver or whatever you have that you can use. These 3 holes right here, you stick it in there, pry them open. It's really simple. I already took mine off, so of course it just falls off, but here's the tool that I use. I don't remember what it's for, but I had it laying around. You can bend the screwdriver, whatever. This is the cap that came off, and these little clips, 3 clips, that's basically what you're loosening to pop this cap off. Pretty simple. Even if you break it, you can get another one for like 16 bucks. That's the bolt that I'm taking out. Just get that thing out. That's what it looks like. It's got a little gasket on it. Nothing really wrong with it. Here's the new one that came with the new agitator. Same thing, identical. Just cleaner. So I'll be using this one since it came with it. Why not? And I just grab the center of this thing and yank it out. And this is actually after it's been cleaned a few times. It was way worse. It was way more dirty, but that center piece right here, completely stripped. There should be some teeth in there that grabs this thing. That's why this thing just stayed here when I pulled the agitator up, because it's stripped out. It should be stuck inside of it, but it just stayed there. And that's what it looks like. This thing looks okay, but yeah, this is what it should look like. It should be stuck inside of the agitator just like this. So I'm gonna put this new one in here. It goes in here pretty straightforward. Just line it up, just let it fall into place. And see, this is how it's supposed to spin. It should spin the whole drum. It shouldn't free spin by itself. So you know everything's gonna be working. And those teeth in here are just completely stripped out. You'll know because it's a loud, terrible noise when it starts to do an agitation or a spin cycle. You'll know. Put this thing back in here and tighten it up.